The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 represents a pinnacle in superbike engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with race-proven performance. At its heart lies a 1.099cc V4 engine that now delivers an impressive 220 horsepower at 13,100 revolutions per minute and 125 Newton-meters of torque at 10,800 revolutions per minute, positioning it as one of the most powerful street-legal production superbikes available. To achieve this enhanced performance while complying with Euro 5+ emissions standards, Aprilia engineers implemented several key updates. The throttle bodies have been enlarged from 48mm to 52mm, allowing for improved airflow and combustion efficiency. Additionally, a redesigned exhaust system not only contributes to the power increase but also features a repositioned catalytic converter to reduce heat exposure to the rider, enhancing overall comfort during rides. Aerodynamics have been a focal point in the 2025 RSV4's design. The introduction of new winglets beneath the headlights reduces the drag coefficient by 6% and diminishes the tendency to wheelie by 8%, resulting in improved stability and handling at high speeds. The fairing has been meticulously sculpted to complement these aerodynamic enhancements, further refining the bike's performance and visual appeal. The braking system has also seen significant advancements. The RSV4 is now equipped with Brembo's latest Pure calipers, which are lighter and more efficient than the previous style units. This upgrade ensures superior stopping power and responsiveness, crucial for both track and street riding scenarios. Complementing this is a new, lighter aluminium top triple clamp, contributing to the bike's reduced overall weight and improved handling characteristics. Aprilia has introduced a new predictive electronic control system that processes real-time data such as speed, lean angle, gear position, and throttle input. This system anticipates the rider's needs, optimizing interventions from traction control, wheelie control, and yaw control systems to provide a smoother and more intuitive riding experience. Riders can customize these electronic settings via a new 5-inch TFT color display, which features revised graphics and now includes a fuel level indicator. The updated, illuminated handlebar controls ensure ease of use, even in low light conditions. The RSV4 comes standard with a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids. This includes a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, ride-by-wire throttle, and 3 riding modes that manage the 3 levels of cornering ABS and the APRC. Aprilia Performance Ride Control System. The APRC suite encompasses Aprilia Traction Control, ATC, adjustable in 8 levels on the fly without closing the throttle, now working in conjunction with the new Aprilia Slide Control, ASC, which is adjustable in 3 independent levels. Aprilia Wheelie Control, AWC, the revamped system, adjustable in 3 levels, employs predictive strategies to gently intervene before a wheelie occurs, enhancing performance without abrupt power cuts. Aprilia Engine Map, offers 3 different engine maps to modify engine character and power delivery, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences. Aprilia Engine Brake, a 3-level adjustable engine braking control system with a specific algorithm that optimizes operation by considering the lean angle, providing smoother deceleration. Aprilia Quick Shift, AQS, an electronic gearbox that enables lightning-fast gear changes without closing the throttle or using the clutch, featuring a downshift function that allows clutchless downshifting, even with an open throttle. In summary, The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 stands as a testament to Aprilia's relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. With its enhanced engine, advanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge electronics, and refined ergonomics, it offers an exhilarating and customizable riding experience for both track enthusiasts and discerning road riders.